Okay, so let's talk about how you can convert HEIC files to JPG on the Android phone. Let's get started, and if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, you can go ahead and see whether you have the HEIC files by checking them out in the gallery. Then you can swipe up on it to see the file extension, and you can see right there that it literally mentions that. So if I want to convert it, there are actually more ways. I mean, first of all, I can view it normally without an issue, so that's okay. But then I have two main options. I can either get the app from the Play Store, which is literally named like HEIC to JPG. You can get an app like this one, which mostly get the same job done no matter which app you get. You just open up the app and, import the photo into the app, let it convert, and then you download it. But I know a lot of people who don't really like to download more apps to their phone, and if that is the case, and if you just quickly want to convert a few files here and there, then you can of course go ahead and open up the web browser of your choice and look up the very same thing that you searched in the Play Store, but you view it through the browser, and you can open up a website which is designed with that purpose, meaning that it lets you upload a file in the HEIC file format, and it will let you convert it into JPG or whatever one you want, and then you can download it, of course. So that's like a quick rundown of how it could work. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.